Okay, guys, J6.4 here. I just received another advertisement or promotion that I wanted to go over, and you will probably know quite quickly why we won't add this to our tiny account portfolio or micro account portfolio. And there's several reasons, but let's take a look at a few of them. You know, the first two steps that we're looking for after we're submitted an offer or a robot or a signal, we're looking at two things. So right off the bat, I want you to know if this will adhere to our particular process of choosing robots, signals, or traders to join our small account portfolio. And of course, we're looking for live history, and we're looking for anything that we can backtest. Now, this doesn't have to be strategy backtest. We can also look at a visual backtest as long as we know that these are certified results. So let's take a look. We're going to go through what some of the offer, and just remember along the way now, guys, we're only researching this. This is not financial advice, nor are we financial advisors. So let's take a look at the offer. Okay, I clicked on this with my in my email. So let's take a look at what the claim is. The trader makes $47,000 in the first week of 2025 trading just once daily. And it's really cool because I used the question mark thing too, because it's presented as a question, not a statement of fact. Get it? And it says these new alert service gives profitable trades in the first 10 minutes of any market open. Now, that tells me, just based on experience, it has to probably be a directional options play. In other words, and that's probably weekly, because when I say weekly, that's a weekly option. It's going to expire in a few days at the very most. And then the average is 30% a month. Okay, a lot of red flags there. And he found a trader who makes $3,000 a day. Okay, what's more important than the winning days is I want to know how they lose. So I'm going to look for some of those losses, because if there were no losses, he would be the greatest small retail trader in the world. See, how does it work? Oh, and I will put a link if you want to go over this yourself down below. So we'll make sure we do that. And it says it works on any stock ticker. I guess that's going to be the training, but their focus is trading options. So I don't know if it's going to share with us how do we transfer that skill set to stocks from options, because they move a little bit differently. The leverage is a little bit differently. The risk profile is a little bit different as well. And here we go. Contracts are cheap, so this is options if it's a contract. Good starting point is $5 to $1,000. Pretty cool. Who's David? He's been successfully trading these type of trades for years. Now, that might be cool because we may get to look at some of his history. Now, the history doesn't tell you anything about future results. I know that. But it can tell me how he thinks, how he trades, and how he handled getting out of a stagnation period or a DDR, which is a drawdown recovery period. All right. Less than 10 minutes a day. Love it. 30% less than 10 minutes a day. Got to love it. You got to love it. Now let's take a look at how much this is. We join it. So that was enough information now. And we're going to go back to the videos, but that's enough information for us to pay $1,500. $1,500. And I have no idea about his track record. I have no idea about the longevity. I have no idea on his live trades. I don't even know what a signal looks like or an alert looks like. And can I get in during the alert? Can I get out during the alert? What is the time frames on there? A lot of things here, folks. But he wants me to pay him $1,500. I don't think so. Full-time trader that made $47,000 the first week of 2025. I wonder in the second week, did he give some of that back? You'll never know. Let's see. Single daily buy and sell alert. Love that. On an option contract that occurs in the first 10 minutes. I'm pretty sure that is weekly options. And I've done this before. And excuse me, I had long periods of winning. And then I had two losers that wiped out all my winnings. So I'm familiar with this. So it doesn't seem really good for me. Okay, here are the, now look at this. This is how I know that is an option. It says that trading involves risk of full loss in invested capital. Yeah, we know that. Canceling that. You're responsible for. I wonder, is this yearly? No refunds are possible. Okay, never mind. I guess that this is a lifetime. I don't know. All right, so let's go in and let's look at some of the video. Okay, guys, so this is starting with just him looking at David's screen. It really didn't share much with me, but let's just see what he has to say. Okay, guys. See, guys, for me, it's really not much that he's saying there, so we will, I'm going to start back where it was important to me, something that I actually got out of it. Let's see here. This is where he's showing testimonials. Okay, so he's showing us winning trades. Remember, even a broken clock is right twice a day, but when it's wrong, how much does it kill you? I know for a fact that when trading options and you have a 90% winning ratio, 90% winning ratio, you can still be wiped out by that 10% losers. Just remember that, because that's what he's bragging. He's not showing us any financial statements. He's not showing us anything over the long term. He's not showing us how they're getting in and out of trades. I've had these sort of results and I've lost them. That doesn't mean that the systems that I was using, that they were scams or anything, but no, you need to learn how to manage your money when you know that is possible. For $1,500, they're not even telling me that that's possible. That's why that we're in a group, a shared resource group, so we can explain those potential pitfalls when it comes to trading, options, Forex, anything. Let's keep going. Okay, that's not showing us much either. I want to get to this one thing. Oh yeah, this is his proof that he was going to give us. Let's see. That was the proof. This was the proof that he gave us that this guy's win rate was over 94%. That's it. I was expecting so much more from this guy. Expecting so much more. Keep going. Guys, watch these marketers when they don't have that. So this just failed on many, many levels. I'm not even saying that it's a scam. I'm just saying that they're hiding some of the most important things you need to evaluate a system. That's it. So what would we rather see before we do that? Guys, you can go to our OPKey SRG Copier page and it'll show you exactly how we track our results in demo and real money. The cool thing about what we do and how we do it, we are traders that come together. We form the shared resource group where we can all profit from each other's efforts and resources. So go out there and make some real money. You can find the link to several resources down below, and if you're so inclined, join us. We'll be updating it almost on a daily basis, guys. Go out there and make some real money. J6.4 out.